Vigoroot pots are designed to help you grow stronger, healthier, more productive plants. The felt pots are smart, lightweight and reusable, but it's their porous fabric that air prunes your plant's roots and makes all the difference. In a normal flower pot, the root tips hit the edge and continue to grow round until they run out of space and the plant becomes pot-bound. In Vigoroot pots, the roots die off when they are exposed to the air at the edges of the pot. This makes the plant continually produce new, healthy branching roots, a process called air pruning, which will give you an all-round healthier plant, because more roots mean that more nutrients can be absorbed. Stronger, healthier roots give the plant a greater resistance to harsh weather, pests and diseases. Plants don't become pot-bound, and so can grow to a much larger size in a smaller pot. Growing in Vigoroot means that your plants will have healthier roots, more vigorous growth and a higher yield. The pots are light, reusable and fold down for easy storage. There are lots of sizes to choose from 5 litre to 20 litre, which is perfect for fruit bushes, as well as a selection of vegetable planters and a herb planter. All the pots come with a handy growing guide to help get you started. Discover the magic of Vigoroot and grow super healthy plants with more abundant growth and higher yields.